So, my room is a mess, I got my bubble tea, it's a very good day, and I just received a very important package in the mail. Now, this is the type of video I have not done in a very, very long time. For longtime fans of the channel, you know I used to be Jay-Z Kicks, used to be a shoe review extraordinaire, but now I've made a little bit of a change. Now I do UFC videos, do some action figure stuff, do some lifestyle videos, but we got a shoe in the mail today. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Whoop! Let's see what we got. Ooh. This is my very first pair of Crocs. Now, as some of you guys know, Crocs have been absolutely taking over the world recently. There's been a ton of celebrities wearing them, a ton of people just in the public eye wearing Crocs. A lot of YouTubers, especially if you guys watch any prank YouTubers, they're all wearing Crocs. So I thought it was a good time to get myself my very first pair. So it looks like it comes in this little Ziploc bag and you can just pull them right out and voila. So I decided to get the military green colorway. I was debating between getting black or green, but I ended up settling on the green. But the Crocs were not the only thing I picked up. I also picked up some accessories. Now these are something that's actually kind of interesting. So I live in Montreal in Quebec, and these don't actually ship to Quebec from the Crocs website, although I did find them on Amazon. So I ordered myself some gibbets. Now if you guys don't know what gibbets are, they're basically just little pins that you can push into the plugs on the Crocs. And so as you guys can see right here, I got a like travel pack that comes with a little camera, Volkswagen bus, and then I got myself the Super Mario pack because I am a gaming nerd, so I had to go with those. So if you guys wanted to see a gibbet up close, this is basically what it looks like. It's just a little rubber icon, and then it has a little pin on the back that's a circle that can just go right into the hole on your Crocs. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw some gibbets on here, and give you guys an on foot, which I have not done in absolutely forever, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. It lets me know that you guys are engaged and enjoying the content, and it'll let me know if you guys maybe want to see some more shoe stuff in the future. But with all that said, again, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.